thanks for stopping by my channel. So today's video, Grizaye has sent me one of their brand new drawing kits. I have reviewed one of their drawing kits in the past. I actually have a whole playlist full of different Grizaye reviews, projects, all sorts of things. So I'll pop that in a card over here in the corner so you guys can check that out. After you check this video out, it'll be down below in the description box. This one is called Sweeping Landscapes and it has 3 projects in it. It's 21 pieces and it says you will improve your drawing skills as you create 3 landscapes. Use our exclusive royalty-free photos and premium Velvet Touch Land and Sea colored pencil set to draw on top of the grayscale image printed on Legion Stonehenge warm white paper. So that's very fancy paper for a finished piece of art you will be proud of. So this is a smaller size than the last drawing kit they sent me for review. And actually I kind of quite like a smaller project, to be honest with you, because I am very notorious for not being able to finish projects. I have a lot of abandoned projects all over the place. But oh, this is pretty. It has, like I said, 3 different projects. Let's see what comes inside, what the projects look like. You can, oh, it looks like maybe you can turn them into maybe bookmarks. Maybe that's what this little tassel is included in here for. Let's see the photos. We have a lighthouse photo. I like that one a lot. I think that one looks like I might like to work on that one. And then this is the Grizaye image. If you don't know what the term Grizaye means, it's basically an underpainting type of technique. I did a little history of Grizaye in my very first review of, I think, of the blender pencil. I think it's in that video. So if you want to learn a little bit more, it'll be on that one. And then this looks like a farmhouse. And that's the image for that. And another little house and mountains. That looks fun. This is set to level 2, I think it says. So they do have like some projects that are a little bit easier, maybe a little bit more advanced. So this one, they say, is good for ages 12 and up, level 2. And it does come with the pencils. You'll need to work on this little pencil sharpener. Tester sheet of the Stonehenge paper, pouch so you can keep track of your pencils, and a little Grizaye sticker. So let's see what colors come in this kit. We have raw umber number 18, olive number 32, apple number 28, grass number 26, white 72, powder 42, teal 36, henna 62, indigo 48, blue number 38, and brown 66, and finally we have jasmine number 20. So a nice palette here. I would definitely sharpen these up before you started to use them. We have the little sharpener here. So we do have a color guide that accompanies this kit, and there's a photo of each project and a sort of color map to each one. And it shows some tips down here on the bottom. It says, think of the reference photo as a source of inspiration and focus on capturing the subject's essence instead of creating an exact replica. So this is just a guide. You don't have to do it exactly. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can do your own thing. I did swatch the colors out so you can kind of see what an actual swatch reference of these colors would look like. The rest of the guide goes on to say, begin by tracing the darkest areas. Keep your pencil sharp when rendering the fine details. Draw around cloud and wave shapes. Then use white to brighten and blend. Use light layers of various colors to achieve soft gradients in the sky and land. So this drawing kit is currently $19.99 over on the Grizaye website, but I just checked their Amazon store where they currently have a $5 off coupon on this kit, as well as a few of their other drawing kits you might like to check out. So that brings the cost down to $14.99. So here's a final look of everything that's included in the Sweeping Landscapes kit. If you think you might need a little extra help or guidance, you can always head over to the Grizaye website and you can purchase a class from Carissa Lee, and it's a step-by-step visual guide. It's about an hour and a half long drawing class. So you can always add that to your kit. So I would love to hear from you guys. Have you tried any of these kits? How did you like them? Did you think they were easy? Were they difficult for you? I would also love to hear if you have any feedback on the pencils themselves. What do you think of them? Have you tried them yet? Are you thinking about trying them? They do run sales every once in a while. Sometimes I will see a $10 off coupon hit Amazon, and I do always try to notify you guys whenever I see them go on a good sale over on my community tab. They actually just had a really amazing flash sale not too long ago where they had 50% off for, I think it was about 9 hours for coloring book day. So let me know if you were able to get in on that really good deal. I don't hear too many people on social media even talking about these pencils, which I think is a shame because they are a really great pencil. I really like them a lot. They've actually become one of my favorites. They're definitely in my top 10, maybe even my top 5 set of pencils. So definitely get the word out on these pencils and give them a try. They even have open stock available. I believe it's 99 cents a piece for each pencil, which I think is a really great deal, especially for a small business. And if you guys have any questions for me at all, of course, you can always leave me a comment. My email is always in the description box. And I hope you guys all have a really great rest of your day. Happy coloring, and I'll see you next time.